Thì thầy cũng rất là tiếc vì thầy bảo là con học rất là khá, mà con học với lớp buổi chiều thì nó không hợp lý lắm. Thế bác cũng giải thích với thầy rất là nhiều rồi nhưng mà thầy cứ bảo thầy muốn nói chuyện với con. Đúng không? Thế thầy bảo thầy sợ là con sẽ buồn chán bởi vì là sẽ phải vì cái khả năng của con nó vượt xa quá nhiều so với các bạn á. Thế thì cho nên là hơi 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 khó nhở. Thôi, cứ tạm thời một thời gian xem mình sẽ xem như thế nào nhá.
Được.
Ok con.
Mm. Okay, Vientiane, do you have any questions for me?
I no.
Okay, so I'm very happy for you to stay in this class, Vientiane. Of course, it's no problem. But I just hope it's not some of it isn't too easy for you. That's all.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Vientiane. Who else can I see? Nguyen, 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 chào con. Okay, Jia Ming. Xin chào, Jia Ming.
Hi, can you hear me now?
I can hear you now. I can, but I can't see you, Jia Ming. I can't see you.
I have some problems, so really sorry.
Okay. Minh Ang. Minh Ang, chào con.
Hello, teacher.
How are you, Minh Ang?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. I'm good. So I'll just wait a little bit for some other students to join us. I can see you very clearly, Minh Ang. That's great. Very good. Have you had a good week at school, Minh Ang? Have you had a good week at school?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, good. Good. Nguyen, xin chào. Can you hear me, Nguyen? I could see him earlier. He was there before, but he's disappeared again. Mrs. Ha.
Yes.
Yes. Sorry, Mrs. Ha. Is there anything I need to know before I start this class?
No, thank you, teacher. Because
Okay.
only An Hưng, he is a little bit late for the class. Because
Okay.
now he is returned home from school.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Mrs. Ha. Nguyen. Nguyen, chào con.
Yes. Các con vào, các con bật luôn camera lên nhé. Okay.
Can you hear me, Nguyen?
He's logging in. Okay.
Okay. So we'll just wait another couple of minutes.
Yes, and Đình Minh, he is absent today because he's busy at his school.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. So Ding Ming is not here, so there should only be maybe 9 of them.
Yes.
Okay. Nguyen, can you hear me now, Nguyen? No, still can't hear me. I can see him clearly, but I can't talk to him.
Nguyên bật mic lên đi con. Có vấn đề gì à? Máy móc có vấn đề gì không?
No, can't hear you either. Quang, xin chào. Hello, Quang, can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay, how are you, Quang?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. Can you please turn your camera on?
I can't. My camera got some problem.
Okay, that's a shame, because I'd like to be able to see everyone. Nguyen, can you hear me yet? Okay, well, it's been 5 minutes, so I think I will start. Nguyen, if you can hear me. Can you hear me? No. All right. Well, I will start anyway, because, like I say, it's already past time for the lesson to start. It's after 1:30. So let's go. So welcome to the class for this afternoon, everyone. Nice to see you again. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing both speaking and a little bit of writing. I will show you how to paraphrase. So, going to share the screen with you now. Before I start, does anyone have any questions for me? All right, today we're going to look at vocabulary and questions to do with clothes. Clothes is quite a common topic in the Ielts test, so this vocabulary will help you discuss clothes and fashion. So these words here, 1 through till 10, are the sort of adjectives that are very useful for describing clothes. Viet Tien,
Yes.
can you read number 1, please?
Casual, relaxed, and informal.
Good. Casual, relaxed, and informal. Casual clothes are clothes such as t-shirts, shorts, clothes that you would not wear to an important occasion. Casual clothes are usually the sort of clothes that you wear around your house or that you wear at the weekend to meet your friends. Okay. The opposite of casual is number 2. Xiaoming.
Yes.
Xiaoring, can you read number 2 for me, please?
Formal, suitable for an important occasion.
Okay, so formal clothes is something like a suit, or maybe you wear a tie. In most Western societies, like America, Britain, Australia, New Zealand, if you need to dress formally, it means men have to wear a tie. Okay, a tie and usually some sort of suit. Women will usually wear a dress of some sort, a formal dress. Ming Ang,
Yes, teacher.
can you read number 3, please?
Comfortable, easy, and relaxing to wear, not too tight.
Okay, so just careful with your pronunciation. Can you say this word here for me, please, Ming Ang?
Wear,
Wear, wear,
wear, wear,
wear, wear, wear, wear.
wear.
Okay. Yeah, to wear means wear is a verb. You wear clothes. Okay. Does that make sense, Ming Ang? Wear, wear. You wear clothes. You put on clothes. For example, Ming Ang, what clothes are you wearing today? Can you tell me?
I wear t-shirt
Hmm.
and I wear t-shirt.
Okay, I'm wearing a t-shirt. Can you say that?
I am wearing a t-shirt.
Good. That is the correct form of the word. I'm wearing a t-shirt. Good. All right. And everyone here, this here, EG is a short way of writing for example. So if you ever see these 2 letters in an English sentence, it means for example. For example. Nguyen, can you hear me yet? Obviously
Yes,
not. On Nguyen, can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you.
Okay. All right. Welcome to class, Nguyen. Can you turn your camera on, please? Okay. That's great. So, Nguyen, can you please read for me number 4? Number 4.
Number 4, stylish is fashionably elegant and sophisticated.
Good. Sophisticated. Can you say that, please, Nguyen? Sophisticated.
Sophisticated.
Good. Sophisticated. Fashionably elegant and sophisticated. Okay. So this adjective here, stylish. Stylish. This is when you want to wear clothes that are very fashionable, very up to date. And these are some other adjectives that mean the same as stylish. Fashionably, elegant, and sophisticated. Fashionably elegant and sophisticated. Remember, I have told you in the last couple of weeks to please keep a notebook. Please keep a book of new vocabulary. Okay, so these are words you can add to your book of vocabulary. So write down the words and their meanings and practice them during the week. You should be able to easily learn 10 words a week, easily. Okay. Who was next? Kwang. Kwang.
Yes.
Okay, Kwang. Can you please read number 5?
Trendy.
Yes, keep going.
Very fashionable or up to date.
Very fashionable and up to date. Okay, can you say this word, please, Kwang? Fashionable.
Fashionable.
Good. Fashionable. Fashionable, it means clothes that are in fashion. Okay, clothes that are modern, up to date. Fashionable. Okay, who else? I'm just checking to see who else is joining the class. Ding Lam. Ding Lam.
I'm here.
Okay, Ding Lam. Can you please read number 6, please? Number 6.
Loose, not fitting clothes.
Good. Not fitting closely.
Closely.
Okay. Closely.
Not
Good.
fitting,
Clothes that are loose are not tight. Does that make sense, Ding Lam? Loose clothes. Maybe you have, maybe you have a loose t-shirt on. Okay. A t-shirt that is loose is a t-shirt that doesn't fit closely. Okay. And the opposite of loose is number 7. Viet Tien.
Tight. Fitting
Tight.
closely.
Yes, fitting closely. So tight is the opposite of loose, everyone. Tight clothes are clothes that fit you very closely. Very closely. Maybe some sort of uniform sometimes. Maybe that you wear in the army or something like that can be tight. Number 8. Number 8. Nguyen.
Yes. Yeah.
Number 8, please.
Elegant is graceful and stylish in appearance or manner.
Good. Elegant. All right. We saw this word up here at number 4 as well. Elegant. Something that is graceful. Clothes that are graceful or stylish. Stylish, remember, means very high fashion. So elegant clothes. You can have an elegant person also, by the way, because this is an adjective. So it can apply to people as well as clothes. Elegant is just someone who looks very stylish, very fashionable. Number 9, Jaming. Jaming.
Yes.
Number 9, please.
Colorful, full of color, having much of varied color.
Good. Okay, this word here, Jaming, is pronounced varied. Varied.
Oh, varied.
Varied, good. Varied is just a form of the word variety, okay? So varied color just means lots of different colors. Does that make sense, Xiaoming?
Yes.
Okay, so colorful, lots of varied colors. And the opposite of colorful is Ming Ang. Ming Ang. Number 10.
Plain, not decorated or elaborate, simple or ordinary.
Good. So something that is plain. For example, if you wear a plain t-shirt, a plain t-shirt is a t-shirt that has nothing written on it or no picture. No picture. Ming Ang, you said to me before you are wearing a t-shirt, Ming Ang, today? You are wearing a t-shirt?
Yes,
Okay. Does your t-shirt have a picture on it or not?
not picture.
Okay. So does it have any writing on it? Ming Ang. Does your t-shirt have any writing? Your t-shirt, Ming Ang, does it have any writing on it?
Oh, yes.
It does. Okay. All right. So it is not a plain t-shirt. Okay. A plain t-shirt doesn't have anything on it. Does that make sense, Ming Ang?
Yes.
Okay. A plain t-shirt has no picture and no writing. Okay. That's plain. Plain. Okay, everyone. So these are the synonyms. Sorry, these are the adjectives to learn for this afternoon. Number 1, casual. Number 2, formal. Number 3, comfortable. Number 4, stylish. Number 5, trendy. Number 6, loose. Number 7, tight. Number 8, elegant. Number 9, colorful. And number 10, plain. Plain. Okay, so we're now going to do a speaking exercise. I want you to try, if you can remember some of these words when you answer some of these questions. So I will share the questions with you now. Does anyone have any questions about those words, by the way? Any questions about those words? Okay. All right. I'll just hang on a moment. Just want to check if anyone else has joined the class. No, doesn't look like it. Okay. Kwang.
Yes.
Okay, so everyone, I'm going to start with Kwang. I'm going to ask each of you these questions. Okay? Kwang, do you often buy clothes?
No, I hardly buy clothes.
Okay, good. I hardly ever buy clothes. Okay, is the correct collocation. Okay, when I say collocation, everyone, I will send you this word in chat. Collocation means a group of words, 2 or more, that go together. Okay, everyone, I've sent you a message in chat, everyone, which tells you what collocation means. So, there are many collocations in English. Collocations are groups of words that often go together. Hardly ever is a collocation. Hardly ever. So, Kwang,
Yes.
okay, can you use hardly ever when you answer the question this time, please? Do you often buy clothes?
I hardly ever buy clothes.
Correct. Good. Perfect English. Good sentence. I hardly ever buy clothes. Okay. And by the way, Kwang, can you remember what EG means? If you see EG written in a sentence, what does it mean?
Example.
Means, yeah, for example. For example. That's what it means. Okay, good, Kwang. Ding Lam,
I'm here.
do you often buy clothes, Ding Lam?
No, I don't often buy clothes.
I don't often buy clothes. Good. Viet Tien.
Yes.
Okay, ask you a slightly harder question. Are clothes important to you, Viet Tien?
With me, clothes are a very important things when I have to go out.
Hmm? Why are they important, Viet Tien?
Because I think clothes will make a good first impression for the people I'm going to meet.
Okay, clothes will make a good first impression for the people I meet. Is correct. Good, Viet Tien. Good. Good English. Okay, Nguyen. Nguyen.
Yes.
Okay, Nguyen. What kinds of clothes do you prefer to wear?
I prefer uh that kind comfortable to wear.
Okay, so you prefer casual, is that right?
Yes.
Casual clothes? You prefer casual and comfortable clothes. Can you say that, please, Nguyen?
I prefer casual and comfortable clothes to wear.
Good, good. I prefer casual and comfortable clothes to wear. Clothes that are relaxed, clothes that are easy to wear. Okay, that's good, Nguyen. Zha Ming,
Yes.
what are clothes important to you, Zha Ming?
Uh, the clothes that important to me is
Yeah, no, are clothes important to you? Are they?
yeah, the clothes really important to me.
Yeah. Why? Because
Because
Zha Ming?
because mm,
Because you like to look fashionable or you like to feel comfortable?
uh, because I want to feel comfortable and
Yes.
I really like fashion, so clothes really important to me.
Okay, clothes are really important to me. Okay, Xiaoming? Remember you need to use are in the sentence. Clothes are really important to me. Can you say that, please, Xiaoming?
Clothes are really important to me.
Okay, good. Ming Ang, Ming Ang.
Yes, teacher.
Sorry, excuse me. I've got a little bit of a cough. Okay, that's better. So, Ming Ang, what sort of clothes do you prefer to wear?
I prefer to wear t-shirt and short.
Okay, so you prefer to wear casual and comfortable clothes. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you say two sentences for me now, Ming Ang? I prefer to wear t-shirts and shorts. Sentence one. Sentence two is I like clothes that are casual and comfortable. Okay. Can you say two sentences, Ming Ang?
Yes. I
I
prefer
prefer. Yep.
I prefer to wear t-shirt and short.
Yes. I like clothes
I like clothes
that are
casual
that are
that are casual clothes
casual and comfortable.
casual and comfortable.
Good. Okay. Casual and comfortable. Remember, t-shirts and shorts are casual and comfortable clothes. Okay, Ming Ang? Okay, good. Quang,
Yes.
do you spend a lot of time deciding what you are going to wear?
No, I don't. I usually spend about 1 to 3 minutes to wear.
Okay. I usually spend about 1 or 2 minutes thinking about what to wear. Can you say that sentence, please, Quang?
I usually spend about 1 to 2 minutes to think about what to wear.
Good. That's much better English. I usually spend 1 to 2 minutes to think about what to wear. Ding Lam. Ding Lam, oi.
I'm here.
Okay, same question for you. Do you spend a lot of time deciding what to wear?
I think I often spend 3 minutes to think what to wear.
Okay, I usually spend about. Okay, it's best to use the word about. Okay, because that means if you just say, I usually spend 3 minutes, that is too exact, too precise. Okay, better to use the word about. I usually spend about or around 3 minutes deciding what to wear. Can you say that sentence, please, Ding Lam?
I often spend
About,
around 3 minutes
yeah,
for thinking what to wear.
good. I often spend about or around 3 minutes thinking what to wear. Thinking what to wear. Okay, that's
No
good.
problem. Thank you.
All right, good. All right, everyone. So, before we go any further, I'm going to show you a couple of model answers for a couple of the questions. Okay, so you can see here, number one, what kinds of clothes do you prefer to wear? Okay, so this is a model answer. This is a good answer to this question. How many sentences? Viet Tien.
Yes.
How many sentences in the answer to this question, Viet Tien?
There are 2 sentences.
Correct. There are 2 sentences. Okay. For this sort of question, everyone, you need to try and answer 2 sentences. 2 sentences. When?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. When? Can you please read the answer to number 1?
General no. Generally for casual clothes like jeans, t-shirt, and a jumper. I do have some smart clothes, but I mainly go for comfort on an average day.
Okay, just correct some of your pronunciation. This one here, these words here, Gwen, generally. Can you say that, please? Generally.
Generally.
Good. Generally. Generally, everyone means the same as usually. Usually. Generally and usually. I generally go for casual clothes. Go in the sentence means choose. Okay? So I usually choose casual clothes. I generally go for casual clothes. Means the same. So generally means the same as usually. Go means the same as choose. Meng Ang.
Yes, teacher.
Can you please read the answer to number 1 for me, please?
Yes, I generally go for casual clothes like jeans, t-shirt, and a jumper. I do have some smart clothes, but I mainly go for comfort on an uh, Avenger Day.
Okay, so this word here, everyone, is pronounced average. Average. Can you say that, please? Ming Ang. Average. Average.
Average.
Good. Average day. Average in this sentence just means a normal day. Average and normal mean the same thing. They are synonyms. Average and normal. Okay. Jiaming.
Yes.
Okay, so using the model answer as a guide, Jiaming, can you please answer question 1? Okay, so using this answer as a guide for your answer. Okay, what kind of clothes do you prefer to wear, Jiaming?
I generally go for comfortable clothes like t-shirt or short pants. And when I go to a party or some vacation, I will prefer to wear some fancy clothes like suit or skin or jean and
Yes,
yeah,
jeans and what?
jean and
What else do you wear? If you want to, if it is something more formal, what would you wear? Jeans and
shirt.
a
Just
shirt, okay? Jeans and a shirt. Good, Jiaming. Good. Okay, you did 2 sentences. That's great, Jiaming. Very good. Okay, and you used the model answer very well. Okay, I'll get everyone to do this now. Ming Ang. Ming Ang.
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, Ming Ang. So, using this, okay, as a model answer, please answer this question for me. Okay, what kind of clothes do you prefer to wear? Ming Ang?
I usually uh, I usually wear casual clothes like t-shirt and short.
Mm-hmm. Good. Next sentence, please, Ming Ang. Next sentence.
I do have some smart clothes, but I mainly go for comfort on an adventure day.
Average. Okay, can you say that, please, Ming Ang? Average. Average.
Average.
Okay, good. And remember, average just means normal or usual day. Average just means a normal day or usual day. Thank you, Ming Ang. Kwang.
Yes,
Okay, Kwang, same for you. Okay, so using the model answer as a guide, what kind of clothes do you prefer to wear?
I generally go for casual clothes like a black shirt, a black jean, and pant. I
Good.
mainly go,
Next sentence. Yep.
I mainly go with it on an average day.
Okay. You would say I usually wear them on an average day. Okay. I usually wear them on an average day. Okay. Good, Kwang. Ding Lam.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Same for you, Ding Lam. So using the model answer as a guide, what kind of clothes do you prefer to wear, Ding Lam?
I generally go for casual and plain like jean t-shirt or short. I do have some colorful color, but I don't like it.
But I don't like them. Don't like
I
them.
like that. I don't like that.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, because
thank you.
remember, have to use them because it's plural. Clothes are plural. There's more than one piece of clothes. Okay, that's good. Good use of adjectives, Ding Lam. Good use
Thank
of
you.
adjectives.
Thank
Okay,
you.
I generally go for casual clothes like t-shirt, okay, and shorts. Okay, that's good. Viet Tien.
Yes.
What kind of clothes do you usually prefer to wear on an average day, Viet Tien?
Uh, I would prefer for casual clothes like t-shirt or like shorts.
Yeah, next sentence.
Um, I don't really know about what clothes do I have to wear, like clothes combination. So I would randomly choose my clothes I want to wear.
Okay, so you randomly choose the clothes you want to wear. Okay, good. That's a good adjective, okay? Randomly choose the clothes to wear. Okay, and Nguyen.
Nguyên ơi, máy sao đấy mà gọi lâu thế con ơi?
Dạ,
Con chú ý vào chứ?
máy hay lag của
Thế à? Con cứ trả lời thầy đi con.
Can you
Okay,
repeat?
Nguyen. So, what kind of clothes do you prefer to wear, Nguyen?
I prefer to go for casual clothes like a t-shirt and jumper.
Good. Next sentence.
Uh, I do have some smart clothes, but I like to wear a comfort on an average day.
Okay, but I like to wear comfortable clothes on an average day. Okay, that is how to structure the sentence. Good. Okay, now we're going to look at number 2, everyone. Do you spend a lot of time deciding what to wear? Okay, Viet Tien, I'll start with you. Viet Tien, can you please read the model answer for number 2?
It depends. If it's my day off, then I just throw on something casual, warm and comfy. But if I know I'm going to meet a friend for coffee or go out, I'll make my time to decide what I want to wear and match my clothes to my bag and jewelry as well.
Okay, so obviously some of you will guess this is a woman speaking, okay, talking about bag and jewelry, okay, which is usually what women use, not men. All right, so you can see how the sentence starts, everyone. Good reading, by the way, Viet Tien. It depends, okay? It depends is a way of starting a sentence that means, maybe, okay? Maybe. Just another way of saying maybe. It depends, maybe. If it's my day off, I just throw on. Throw on is a collocation, throw on, which is a very informal way of saying wear. I just wear something casual. I just throw on something casual. Throw on. A very informal way meaning to wear clothes. Okay? Comfy. Comfy. Jiaming.
Yes.
What is comfy short for? What does comfy mean?
Like comfortable.
Correct. Okay, comfy. Okay, very informal way of saying comfortable. I like wearing comfy clothes. Right? Very common in English, very common in formal language. And it's okay for you to say that. You don't have to say comfortable. Many people say comfy, this word here, meaning comfortable. Okay. But if I know I'm going to meet a friend for coffee or go out, I'll take my time to decide what I want to wear. Okay, that is the rest of that question. Where did I get up to? So, Nguyen, Nguyen.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Nguyen, looking at question number 2 now, okay? Do you spend a lot of time deciding what to wear? Okay, can you give me an answer using the model answer, please, Nguyen?
In a normal day, I usually wear uh, casual clothes like
Okay,
clothes to wear at home. But
okay, good.
when I go
Okay,
to school, I have to wear a school uniform, and when I go with friend or go like out shopping, I decide to choose um hmm, how to
okay. I choose, you can say I choose comfy clothes.
comfy
Does that,
clothes.
yeah, does that make sense? Comfortable clothes,
Yes.
comfy clothes, comfy means the same. Good. Xiaoming,
Yes.
okay. Same for you, Xiaoming. Do you spend a lot of time deciding what to wear?
Not really. It will depend on where I go. Like if I uh, go to class or school, I will wear uniform. And if I go to entertainment place like coffee shop or some grocery shops, I will wear some conf coffee uh
Comfy clothes. Clothes.
coffee clothes.
Okay, good. Just remember when to use the article, Xiaoming. So you will go to a, okay, go to a coffee shop. I will go to a coffee shop, okay? Or when I go to school, I will wear a uniform, okay? Remember, in any word that is a noun, Xiaoming, um, almost always has an article in front of it, such as a, da, or an. Does that make sense, Xiaoming?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, good. Ming Ang, Ming Ang.
Yeah, teacher.
Okay. Oh, oh, very noisy there, Ming Ang. Very noisy. All right. Do you spend a lot of time deciding what to wear, Ming Ang?
In normal day, I just threw on something casual clothes like t-shirt and short. But in
Mm-hmm.
but
But yeah.
when I going to meet a friend for coffee or go out, I usually spend a lot of time to choose clothes and jewelry to wear.
Okay, good. Okay, good try, Ming Ang. That's good. Kwang, Kwang,
Yes,
your turn, Kwang. Do you spend a lot of time deciding what to wear?
it depends on where I go. I when at party I wear comfy and stylish, but when I at school I wear a uniform.
Okay, good. That's good answer, Kwang. Okay, just I just want to correct your tense. It depends on where I'm going. Okay, need to say that. It depends on where I'm going, not go. Okay, Kwang. It
Yes,
depends. It depends on where I'm going. Can you say that sentence, please?
it depends on where I going.
Okay, good. Where I'm going. I am. Depends on where I'm going. Okay, you have to use future tense for this. Depends on where I'm going. Good. Ding Lam.
I'm here.
Okay, Ding Lam, do you spend a lot of time deciding what to wear?
It's depend on my it's depend on where I will going. I will go. If it's my day off, I will wear um plain and casual clothes. If I go off, um, I go a special occasion or going with my friend, I will wear um, colorful color or formal color clothes.
Formal clothes. Okay,
Yeah,
good.
so
Okay, good, Ding Lam. That's good. Okay, everyone. So we will continue with clothes next week, but just before we finish this topic, just want to check if anyone else is here. No, not yet. All right, I'm just going to quickly. All right, I'm going to ask each of you a word, okay? An adjective, one of the adjectives, one of the clothes adjectives, you have to read me the definition. Okay? Read me the definition. So, Viet Tien, elegant, Viet Tien, elegant.
Graceful and stylish in appearance or manner.
Good. Nguyen, comfortable, Nguyen.
Comfortable. Comfortable.
Yeah. What does comfortable mean?
It's
Look at
like
the list.
easy and relaxing to wear.
Good. Easy and relaxing to wear, e.g. E.g. What does e.g. mean, Nguyen?
It's like an example.
Yeah, for example, not
Oh,
too tight, not too tight.
yes.
Okay, good. Zha Ming. Zha Ming, oi. Ming Ang.
Really annoying.
Yeah, very annoying. Yeah. Ming
Yes,
Ang.
yes, teacher.
Okay. Colorful. Colorful, Ming Ang.
Colorful, full of color, having much of varied color.
Good. Okay, having much or varied color. Varied just means a lot. Okay, a lot of color. Can be different colors. So maybe you will wear a t-shirt one day, Ming Am, that has white and red and yellow on it. Okay, very colorful. Does that make sense, Ming Ang?
Yes.
Okay, good. Kwang,
Yes,
trendy.
trendy mean very fashionable or up to date.
Good. Do you have any trendy clothes, Kwang?
Not much.
Not much. Okay, that's fine. Ding Lam.
I'm here. I'm here.
Formal. Ding Lam. What are formal clothes?
Formal. Formal clothes. Formal clothes is suitable for an important occasion.
Good. Suitable for an important occasion. Okay. Means they are good for an important occasion. For example, I can think in Vietnam, of course, for women, the ao dai is formal clothes. Does that make sense, Ding Lam?
Yeah.
Okay. And ao dai is formal clothes for woman. Formal clothes for woman. An ao dai. Okay, everyone, we will come back to close next week for the rest of the lesson. Going to look at a little bit of writing for you. Okay, I'm going to introduce you now to paraphrasing. Viet Tien.
Yes.
Okay, so look.
Okay, moment, teacher, or 1 minute, because maybe they do not understand paraphrasing. Gì nhỉ? Phúc, Quang này, với Lâm với lại Nguyên, Nguyên đi. Bây giờ bác đề nghị là mọi người nếu như cái camera nhà mình mà nó có hỏng ấy, thì mọi người sửa chữa nào đi, vì học mà không có camera tương tác rất là khó. Thầy không biết là các con đang làm gì cả, và có khi có những người không để ý, chú ý đến nữa. Được chưa? Thế thì cái từ paraphrase là gì? Paraphrase là gì? Minh Anh có biết paraphrase là gì không?
Những cái từ giống đồng nghĩa
Thực ra nó không không hẳn phải là những cái từ đồng nghĩa, mà cái synonym là từ đồng nghĩa. Paraphrase là giống như bọn con từ trước nay học rất nhiều những cái chúng mình học rất nhiều về cái câu viết lại câu ấy. Mình viết lại câu của một cái câu mà người ta viết thế nào thì mình phải bắt buộc mình phải hiểu được người ta viết cái gì. Sau đó thì mình sẽ dùng cái từ gọi là paraphrase thì mình viết lại theo ý của mình. Có hiểu không? Và dùng theo cái chẳng như là trong cái văn viết thì mình sẽ paraphrase bằng cách là mình sử dụng những cái từ làm nào mà sát nghĩa nhất có thể, mà sử dụng các cấu trúc câu khác nhau, nhưng trong đó có những cái từ mà nó phải sát nghĩa nhất có thể, còn lại là mình có thể dùng cái loại từ khác, giống như là nó đang là tính từ thì mình dùng sang danh từ, dùng động từ chẳng hạn, hoặc là đang là câu chủ động thì mình chuyển sang câu bị động chẳng hạn, kiểu thế. Nhưng miễn làm nào đấy mà cái câu của mình nó vẫn giữ nguyên nghĩa thì gọi là paraphrase. Đã hiểu cách chưa? Ok, thank you teacher.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Ha. So, Viet Tien.
Yes.
What does paraphrasing mean, Viet Tien?
Paraphrase is rewrite the sentence but keep the meaning.
It does, okay. Actually, Viet Tien, to make it easy for you, you can just read this. Can you see on your screen? Read this.
Paraphrasing means using different words to express the same idea.
Good. Does that make sense to you, Viet Tien?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, everyone. One of the ways we paraphrase, okay, and paraphrasing, by the way, is an important skill in English. Okay, later when you want to do English tests, you must know how to paraphrase. All right, one of the ways we paraphrase is to use synonyms. This word here, synonyms, which I hope most of you are familiar with. Ming Ang.
Yeah, teacher.
Can you say synonym for me, please? Synonym.
Synonym.
Good. Quang.
Synonym.
Good. Ding Lam.
Synonym.
Good. Nguyen. Nguyen.
Yes.
Say synonym for me, please.
Synonym.
Good. All right. Synonym. Synonym, as I've said here, are different words, but words that have the same meaning. For example, okay, money is a synonym for cash. Money and cash mean the same thing. While these words, worn out or sleepy, are synonyms for tired. So by using synonyms, you can replace words with others without changing the meaning of the sentence. And like I say, paraphrasing using synonyms is an important skill in English that you need to learn. All right, so here is an example sentence. Zha Ming, are you back yet? No. Okay. Quang.
Yes.
Okay, can you please read this sentence, please?
We are heading to Dallas for a family holiday.
Good. Now, can you please read the second sentence?
We are traveling to Dallas for a relative vacation.
Okay, so both these sentences, everyone, mean exactly the same thing, but some of the words have changed. The words, though, are synonyms because they mean the same as the words they have replaced. So heading to Dalat means the same as going to Dalat. Family and relatives mean the same. Holiday and vacation mean the same. Okay. Ding Lam.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, we are heading to Dalat. Okay, so we can see that traveling is a synonym for heading. Does that make sense? Means the same. Does that make sense to you, Ding Lam?
Makes sense. Traveling is
Yeah,
going.
traveling and heading, those two words mean the same thing. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, we are heading to Dalat or we are traveling to Dalat mean the same thing. Can you think of another synonym, Ding Lam? Okay, begins with the letter G that means the same as heading or traveling to Dalat.
I
Begins with the
think
letter G. G.
I think it's go.
All very close. Not
Go.
quite go, but go what?
What to-
Go.
go to Dalat.
We are going to Dalat.
We are going
Okay.
to Dalat.
Yeah. Okay, so you can see these all have ing on the end. Heading, traveling, going. Okay?
I see.
But that's good. Okay? So that's good. Going is a synonym for heading and traveling to Dalat. We are going to Dalat. Okay. Viet Tien.
Yes.
Okay. Family and relatives. Family and relatives. Just trying to think. Is there another synonym? Actually, I can't think of one, Viet Tien. Can you? Family and relatives. I think they are the only two.
No, I don't.
No, I don't think so. All right. So, looking at the next word, holiday or vacation. I'm thinking of a synonym, Viet Tien. Begins with the word, actually, there's several I can think of, but this is a simple one. A four-letter word begins with T, instead of holiday or vacation.
E.
Sorry?
Let me think.
Begins with T, four letters. When you are going on a journey somewhere, what is a synonym? Sorry? Trip. Yes, trip. Good. For a family trip, okay? Or a relative's trip. Very good, Viet Tien. Good. Okay. So, everyone, I hope you get the idea now of synonyms. And like I say, using synonyms is a very easy way of paraphrasing. All right. Now, another way of paraphrasing is this. Zha Ming, are you back yet?
Yeah, I'm back.
Okay, Zha Ming. All right. Can you please read number 2, Zha Ming?
Change the word or clause order.
Good. Change the word or clause order. So another paraphrasing skill you need is to change the word order of a sentence. Now, sometimes when you do this, this means adding a word to the sentence or omitting a word. Omitting, by the way, this word here means to leave something out. So to omit a word means to leave it out or changing the word itself. Okay, here's an example. For example, Nguyen.
Yes.
Okay, can you please read the example sentence?
For example, because we are hungry, we would like to quickly go to the Chinese restaurant for dinner.
Okay, so one way of paraphrasing this, okay, is to change the order of the word or clauses. So, Nguyen, can you please read the second sentence?
We would like to go quickly to the Chinese restaurant for dinner because we are hungry.
Okay, so can you see, Gwen, those two sentences mean the same thing? Does that make sense to you?
Yes.
Okay, these two sentences mean exactly the same thing, but it's just that the order of the words and clauses has changed. So this is another way we can paraphrase things. Okay, so let's look at this sentence here and see if we can change the word or clause order to paraphrase it. Okay, I want you to do this, everyone, for me in chat. Okay, in chat. Can you please use chat? Minh Ang, Minh Ang,
Yes, teacher.
do you understand what I want you to do?
Yes.
I want you to change the words in the sentence, but so that it still means the same. Okay? So, just like in this sentence, we use exactly the same words, but we change the order of some of them. All right? To paraphrase it, I want everyone, please, send me your answer in chat. All right? See if you can change the order of these words to make the same sentence, but using the same words. Okay, so send it to me in chat, please. Viet Tien, does that make sense, what I want you to do?
Yes.
Okay. Ding Lam, do you understand what I want you to do?
Can you say again?
Okay, so you can see the sentence here. We are heading to Dalat for a family holiday.
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to change the order of the words in that sentence, just like I did in the example about the Chinese restaurant. Okay, I want
Okay.
you to change the order of the words so that it still means the same thing. All right?
Okay. I understand.
Okay, good. Quang, does this make sense to you? Sorry, Quang, I can't hear you.
You
Does this make
repeat?
sense? Yeah,
No.
do you know what I want you to do, Quang?
No.
Can you hear me, Quang?
Yes.
Okay, do you know what I want you to do, Quang?
Repeat.
Okay, this sentence here, we are heading to Dalat for a family holiday. I want you to change the order of some of the words, but so that it still means the same. All right?
Yes.
All right? This is so you can practice paraphrasing. All right? I want you to send me your answer using chat.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you for your answer, Zhao Ming. Not quite correct, Zhao Ming. Not quite correct. Thank you, Viet Tien. Okay, you are correct, Viet Tien. Good. Okay, Ming Ang, not quite correct. Okay, you need to change the order of the words, Ming Ang. Okay, not use a new word like wandering. Okay, that's better, Zhao Ming. That's better. And Ding Lam, you are supposed to change the order of the words. Change the order of the words. Same for you, Quang Ming. I will show you again in a moment. Okay, who hasn't answered? Viet Tien has answered. Jia Ming has answered. Ming Ang has answered. Ding Lam has answered. Quang has answered. Nguyen. Nguyen.
Yes.
Okay. Can you send me your answer, please, Nguyen?
Just 1 minute.
Okay, just a few more seconds, please, Nguyen. Otherwise, I will keep going. Okay. Thank you, Nguyen. I've got yours. So some of you haven't quite understood what I want you to do. I want you to change the order of the words. So I have sent you in chat now. I've sent you in chat one possible answer. There are a number of ways you can do this. Ming Ang, Ming Ang,
Yes, teacher.
can you please read what I have sent you in chat, please?
Yes.
Can you please read it out, Nguyen? Ming Ang, sorry? Ming Ang?
Yes.
Yeah, can you please read out what I have sent you in chat?
For a family holiday, we are heading to Dalat.
Good. Okay, for a family holiday, we are heading to Dalat instead of we are heading to Dalat for a family holiday. So everyone, you should be able to see, okay, that all I have done, okay, is I have moved, I've changed the two different halves of the sentence around. Okay, for a family holiday, we are heading to Dalat. All right, this is what changing the word or clause order means. This is what I want you to do. For a family holiday, we are heading to Dalat. All right, so this is the second way that you can paraphrase sentences. The first way is to use synonyms. All right, so instead of saying we are heading to Dalat for a family holiday, I do this. We are traveling to Dalat for a relative's vacation. I'm using synonyms. The words in red are synonyms. The second way of paraphrasing is I have changed the clause order. All right, these are clauses. For a family holiday, we are heading to Dalat. All right, see if I can do a bit more practice of this with you. All right, we're going to look. Can you see the paraphrase exercises via Tien? Via Tien,
Yes.
can you see the paraphrase exercises on your page?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right. All right, I'm going to choose one of these, and I want you to see again if you can paraphrase it for me in chat. Okay. So number one, everyone, this one here. I will do it verbally, I think, with you first to save time. So, looking at synonyms first. Viet Tien.
Yes.
What is a synonym for many? Can you give me a synonym for many?
Yes.
Can be more than one word, Viet Tien. You can use more than one word.
A lot of.
Correct. Very good. Okay, a lot of instead of many. When does that make sense to you? When?
Yes.
Okay, so instead of many, okay, we can say a lot of. Do you understand that?
Yeah. Yeah, I
Okay,
understand.
instead of many, we can say a lot of. A lot of. So when can you think of any word, a synonym for people? People.
Mm,
All right.
that's
I'll send you a suggestion. Can you?
individual.
Yeah, individuals. Individuals. An individual is a single person, but
Wow.
individuals with an S on the end just means a lot of different single people, which is the same as people. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So people and individuals are the same. Okay. Individuals is a synonym for people. Okay. Ming Ang.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What can you give me a synonym for believe, please? All right. So far we've got a lot of individuals believe. What is another word? Means the same as believe. Can you think of something? How about one begins with the letter T? It has 5 letters. The word has 5 letters, Ming Ang. Beginning with the letter, begins with T. T. Not sure? Jiaming. Jiaming.
Yes.
Easy one for you, Jiaming. Believe. A synonym that begins with the letter T, has 5 letters.
Think.
Yes, think. 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 Okay, Ming Ang? Ming Ang?
Yes.
Okay, think. Think and believe mean the same. Okay, think is a synonym for believe. Okay, the two words mean the same. Thank you, Xiaoming. Huang.
Yes.
Okay, owning. Huang, owning. Can you think of a synonym for owning?
Having.
Sorry, Huang?
Mm,
Yeah, what
Having.
did you say, Huang? I couldn't hear.
Having.
Having. Yes, correct. Very good, Huang. Having. Having a. Having is good. Having a what, Ding Lam?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah.
Home
What?
is
Yeah. What is a synonym for home? Can you think of a synonym for home?
house.
House. Yes. Very good. Owning a house is better than renting. All right. Okay. Uh, better. Viet Tien.
Yes.
Better. Can you think of a synonym for better?
Yes.
I can think of one. It's a longer word, Vientiane. Begins with P. P. But it's quite a long word. PR, Vientiane. Any idea, Vientiane? I think you know the word.
I don't remember.
Okay, PR. PR. The word is preferable, Vientiane. Do you know this word?
Preferable. Yes, I know.
Preferable. Preferable. It's a version, it's a form of the word prefer. Okay?
Yes.
Preferable. Okay? I'll put this word into chat. Can you see that, Vientiane?
Yes.
Okay? Preferable. Okay? Better. Preferable and better mean the same. Preferable. Prefer just means, yeah, it is better. All right. And this last one here, renting. Hard to think. Hard to think of a synonym for renting that you would know. I know. Hard to think of a synonym for renting. So we can still use this in the sentence. So everyone, to see you've been paying attention, I want you to send me in chat now your paraphrase of this sentence using synonyms. Vientiane, does that make sense to you?
Yes.
Okay, so I've discussed with everyone now the synonyms you can use. So please try to remember them and send them to me in chat. For example, Nguyen. Nguyen.
Yes, teacher.
What is another way of saying many?
It means a lot of and not
Correct. Good. 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 So please start your paraphrase with that. Okay, Nguyen? Okay, so please, everyone, send me the sentence using as many synonyms as you can remember. Zha Ming. Zha Ming.
Yes.
Can you remember the synonym we had for people?
Mm, not clear.
Individuals. Zha Ming.
Yeah.
Okay? Ming Ang. Ming Ang.
Yes, teacher.
Can you remember the synonym we use for believe? What was the synonym we used?
Is thing.
Correct. Okay, good. That's good. So again, everyone, please send me this sentence, but using as many synonyms as you can remember. So please send that to me now in chat. All right, so just sentence one, everyone, only sentence one. So please use as many synonyms as you can to change that sentence. All right, so Viet Tien and Jia Ming, you should both be able to do this quite quickly. Okay, Quang, I've got yours. Thank you. All right. Ding Lam. Ding Lam.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, Ding Lam. Many people and everyone are not the same. Okay? So
Uh,
everyone is not a synonym for many people. Do you
oh,
understand?
I see, I see.
Yeah, because everyone means all people. All people.
Oh,
Okay? But many people means a lot of people, but not everyone. Does that make sense?
yeah, I
Okay.
understand. I understand.
Okay, good.
Thank
Good.
you, thank you.
All right. So Ding Lam, but I've got yours. So everyone, don't worry about making mistakes. That's why you come to class, to learn. All right. Viet Tien. Viet Tien.
Yes.
One mistake, Viet Tien. What is it? You've made one small mistake. What is it, Viet Tien? Can you see it?
Mm,
It's to do with the fourth word, Viet Tien. The fourth word.
individuals.
Yes. Okay, it's plural, Viet Tien. Okay, has to be plural. Has to be plural. Does that make sense, Viet Tien?
Yes.
Good. Okay, very good. Who am I looking at now? Ming An, that's good. All right, just checking everyone's answers. Okay, when you missed some of the paraphrase words out at the end there. Okay, most people have it correct, mostly. I will send you all the answer in chat. Okay, Quang, Quang,
Yes,
Quang, can you please read me the answer that I just sent to everyone?
lot of individuals think that having a house is preferable to renting.
Good, thank you. So one thing I didn't tell you, everyone, okay, is that because we are changing some of the words in the sentence, we have to change than. Okay, than is no longer grammatically correct for the words we've used in the sentence. So than has to change to to. All right. Lots of individuals think that having a house is preferable to renting, is the correct English sentence. So again, it's almost time to finish the lesson for this afternoon, everyone. So I will just review what we have learned. So, synonyms. Synonyms are words that mean the same as other words. And you can, as in the case of many, okay, a synonym can also be a phrase, such as lots of. All right, doesn't have to be just one word. You can replace one word with two words. That is still a synonym. So synonyms are words that mean the same as other words. The other way we can paraphrase a sentence is to change the order of the words in the sentence. Vietian,
Yes.
can you, looking again at sentence number 1, change a couple of the parts of the sentence around, okay, to paraphrase the sentence? Using the same words, Vietian, just looking at it, okay, using exactly the same words.
The number one sentence.
Number 1, yeah. Just
Owning a home
yes,
live to be better than renting.
yeah. Okay, and what is the rest of the sentence?
Many people.
Almost, Vietian. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that you could, to paraphrase the sentence, start it here.
Yes.
Does that make sense, Vietian? Owning a home is better than renting, many people believe. Okay? Does that make sense, Vietian?
Yes.
Still means the same thing, but I've paraphrased it by changing these clauses around. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, everyone, that's the end of the lesson for now. That's the end of the lesson. What I will give you a couple of pieces of homework, though. Going to give you a couple of pieces of homework, a couple of paraphrases. All right. So remember, we are paraphrasing because it's an important skill you need to learn in English. Okay. You need to be able to use different words, all right, to say the same thing. Why do you need to do this? Well, you need to do this to show that you have a good vocabulary. That's why we are practicing this. So what I'm going to do now, hang on just a moment. Okay, can you everyone see those two sentences I've sent you in chat? Can you see the two sentences, Xiaoming?
No.
I've just sent them in chat to you, in chat.
I can see. I can see.
Here we go.
I can see now.
Good. All right. Everyone, I've sent you two sentences in chat. Nguyen.
Yes, teacher.
Can you read sentence 1 for me, please, that I've sent you in chat?
Learning a second language can be challenged, but recording.
Good. Okay. Minh Ang. Can you read the second sentence in chat, please?
Regularly exercise is important for maintaining good health.
Good. Okay, good. Everyone. So your job, your homework, okay, is to paraphrase these two sentences for me. Okay. And next week, you can show me what you have done. So with some of these words, I know you will need to look up the meaning. You will need to look up the meaning. Okay. But it still should only take you about 15 minutes to do this. 15, 1-5, not too long. All right. So your homework is to paraphrase these two sentences for me and show me next week. So I hope everyone understands what you need to do. Kwang, does that make sense to you?
Yes.
Okay, good. Ding Lam, does that make sense to you?
Yeah, I see.
Okay, good. So you will need, like I say, some of you might need to look up the meaning of some of these words, okay, in order to understand how to paraphrase it. But it shouldn't take you very long. So please just paraphrase these two sentences for me for homework, and we will discuss them next week. Okay, everybody. That is the end of the lesson for this afternoon. It was great to see you all. As usual, if you have any questions, you can ask Bak Ha, okay? And she will then pass it on to me. Otherwise, I hope you all have a great week. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and I look forward to seeing you all again next Sunday.